This is a part of Eden Nature Park and Resort. Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City was named after the famous biblical garden for a number of good reasons. This blissful place is a fantastic gateway because its serenity and tropical forest atmosphere can definitely relieve anyone's stress from the pressure and noise of the busy city. Within the city, wherever want to meditate alone or enjoy a retreat with your family and friends. You won't miss your own quiet spot here because this nature is very large to accommodate everyone. Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you how to commute going to Eden Nature Park and Resort here in TORIL, Davao City, Philippines. So, how to commute going to Eden Nature Park? Okay, let's start here in Davao City. From Davao City, San Pedro Street, I catch up multicab going to Rojas Boulevard, very in front of Ateneo de Davao University. And I paid 13 pesos, that's the minimum. From there, I catch up jeepney, name bound to TORIL. You will just say the driver that you will drop in Mercury Drug. From Davao City, going to TORIL Davao, it costs a 35 pesos payment in the jeepney. Now I'm already in Mercury Drugstore, TORIL. I catch up mozzarella going to Eden and I paid 150 pesos, but there are some others said it's only 100 pesos to pay. But for me, not bad because I'm just alone in the mozzarella and very hilly going there. Actually, there are some options to get there, like taxi, but I prefer to get mozzarella. Next time I will get taxi also to know how much to fare if I use taxi. At last, I'm here already in Eden Nature Park and I paid 350 pesos with free snacks. So if you pay 850, there is a buffet and lunch. And while if you pay 450, you can do some fishing in the village. And they have also a lot of recreational activities here like sky rider, cyclone, and sky swing, and many more. And they also offer room rates and in some certain villa. And then for me, I just able to avail the entrance only. And then they said also if you're going to have a tour, which is the Eden Nature Park can offer you a tour if not mistaken, you will pay another 300 pesos for the tour. So next time when I'm going to visit in Eden, I will going to avail the tour and then for sure the recreational activities because for today I'm just having a sightseeing here now. layo-layo sa